Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to block a WordPress website in specific countries using Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites, and next to the WordPress website that you want to block on specific countries, click on dashboard. Now click on performance and select CDN. Now click on manage and make sure to jump to traffic blocking. And below no countries are blocked. You should see something like that. Click on block country. Here search for the country that you want to block. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Here, search for the country that you want to block your website on. For example, I'm from Morocco, so I will select. But before that, let's visit this website to see that it is accessible. Now, if I add my country, which is Morocco, as you see, it is added. Click on block one. If you add multiple countries, you can see, for example, Egypt, you will see it added. Let's try to add multiple countries at once. USA, United States. It is added. I think you can't add multiple countries at once. For example, let's try to France, Spain. Unfortunately, you can't add multiple countries at once. This is not a big deal. Once you block the countries that you want, in my case, it's only one country, click on block. Now you will see your country, your blocked country on this here. Now let's try to refresh this page, and as you see, your country is not allowed to access this resource. Let's, for example, add same thing for the URLs. Let's try to access a page. Same thing, your country is not allowed to access this resource. And if you want to unblock a country, it's simple. Just to go back to the same page, which is traffic blocking, and click on this bin icon next to your selected countries. Now let's try to refresh it. And just like that, my website went back to working. And this is how to block a WordPress website in specific countries using Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.